Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome to this week's snack meal prep video. So I've been doing these snack videos lately because I wanted to make sure I have enough food throughout the day to stay healthy and not eating bad snacks. So I got these really awesome containers off of Amazon. They were like 15 bucks. They're perfect for snack meal prep. I'll put the link for these in the description if you need some. These are just great. The quality is really good. So they have 4 little containers and it's perfect portion sizes. So these containers are great. I love them. So anyways, for this week's snack, I'm gonna have some roasted almonds. I'm gonna have some cottage cheese. This is one of my favorites. It's high protein, low carb. I love cottage cheese. I'm gonna have blueberries this week, and I have some leftover diced up chicken. So I'll portion it into my snack prep containers, and our healthy snacks will be ready to go for the week. I will list the ingredients that I'm using in the description box to check that out. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm doing these snack videos every Monday, and you've probably seen my meal prep videos that I'm doing on Saturdays. So check out all the videos if you haven't already. I have a ton posted, all kinds of different things. So check those out and click subscribe and click the bell button so that you get a notification whenever I post a video. All right, I'm gonna get everything portioned out so that we're ready for the week. All right, so snacks are prepped and ready to go for the week. I'm just gonna put the container lids on them so that they're ready to go. I'll store them in the refrigerator. So we're gonna have super healthy snacks all week. If you like this video, leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back next Monday with another snack meal prep for you, so come check that out. I hope that you have a great week. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.